Alright everyone, welcome to this lab right here. In this lab I'm going to be demonstrating how an aspect of the CIA triad, confidentiality to be specific. I'm going to show you how to encrypt a file using symmetric encryption, sensitive data, and let's get started. Before I get started, this right here is the actual script that I wrote. It's a very long script. I'm not going to be typing all this throughout the video because it would make the video too long. So I'll just do this and explain it as I go along, alright? As you can see right here, the sensitive data that I'm going to encrypt is Jermaine Forbes is actually Thor, the strongest Avenger, which is not true, but it would have been nice if I was. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to be doing this in PowerShell ISE. Right here. We can open it regular. We don't need to run it as an administrator. So we're going to start with the first part of the script, which is we're going to create a directory from which we'll start. So the first thing is we're going to create a folder in C, which is a C drive called lab. So I'm going to run this right here. As you can see, it was created. I'll show you proof of that. So just go right here, go to C, and as you can see, labs is created. It's empty right now. So with the second command with the second part of the script that I run, you're going to see I'm going to create the sensitive data file with the encrypted message. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this. I'm going to add this part of the script. Then I'm going to run that. And let's go back over here. And as you see, the folder now contains the sensitive data text document. All right, moving forward, we're going to verify the content of the file. To do that, we're going to use this script. It's going to write and output the original data of the file, which is a sensitive data file that you just saw. And I already told you the message, Jermaine Forbes is actually the strongest Avenger. And I'm going to run that script and it's going to output the original data. Jermaine Forbes is actually Thor, the strongest Avenger. Now, moving forward, I'm going to start the encryption. So I'm going to encrypt that data that I just shared. Right there. And now I'm going to export the key. Let's do that. Key exported. And now I'm going to attempt to read the data from the file. I'm going to save the encrypted data. Run that also. And now I'm going to run a verification script just to prove or confirm that the data was indeed encrypted. And as you can see right here, It's all gibberish. Can't understand anything right here. A lot of letters, symbols, all that. So now we're going to do this in reverse. We're going to decrypt the data now. Start with a decryption right here. Other part of the decryption script, this right here. I'm going to run that. All right. Now I'm going to save the decrypted data back to the file. And I'm going to run another verification script to confirm that the data was indeed decrypted again. And here we go right here. We have again Jermaine Forbes is actually Thor, the strongest Avenger. So with all these practices, can't do anything in a rush, of course. So we got to make sure that we're securely handling data. So I went ahead and I wrote an additional part of the script where just safe data handling practices. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to convert the encrypted standard string back to a secure string. Let's go ahead and do that. So you can see that it's stored in memory, the secure string handling result, saying that Jermaine Forbes is actually Thor, strongest Avenger. So after doing all that, what happens next? We need to clean up the sensitive information because, of course, we do not want to share that I am Thor, the actual strongest Avenger. So this part of the script is the final part. I'm gonna use this to remove the path. This is gonna delete the sensitive data file and remove all trace of the sensitive data. I'm gonna run this, and when I go back here, as you can see, if I go back to C, lab, it's gone. And that is it, my friends. Tenet of the CIA triad, confidentiality, done using symmetric encryption, where I encrypted a file with sensitive data, decrypted it, and then I got rid of the evidence after the decryption in order to alleviate the steps of going through and re-encrypting the file all over again. All right, thank you guys for watching. Peace.